good day, fellow South Africans and citizens of the world. And I have to tell you something. You know, in the old days, you used to have a little list that you write down all your expenses on, you know, eggs and two rand or 6 rand or whatever it is. It'd probably be 100 rand with inflation in South Africa today. But Mr. Julius Malema, the Commander-in-Chief. He is in so much trouble. He should go and sit in the Vaal River with all the sewerage. That's where he's at right now, I can tell you. He's lost another illegal case that's going to cost him at least a couple of 100,000 rand. The EFF have lost another court battle, and this time it is against Karima Brown, the veteran journalist who won her case of harassment against the party. One of the ugliest battles between the media and politicians took a significant turn on Thursday when the Johannesburg High Court ruled in favour of Karima Brown in her harassment battle against the EFF, and in particular, Julius Malema. Karima Brown was initially targeted because they accidentally received one of her editorial notes. She had advised her colleagues to monitor an EFF gathering back in March, but accidentally sent it to a group chat meant for party members. They took offence to her plans and began to hound her online. Julius Malema, with a following of 2.3 million people on Twitter, then shared her message on the page without obscuring the contact cell phone number. What followed next was a barrage of abuse, disgusting threats, and vows to take her life. She also faced several rape threats and was confronted by a slew of violent messages. The High Court in Johannesburg sided with Brown, agreeing that the publication of her private details caused her some serious distress. Previously, Karima Brown has asked the EFF and Julius Malema in particular for an apology as part of her case. However, Malema, the Commander-in-Chief, the Honourable Julius. Sorry, guys, I'm on a roll. However, Julius, Chicken Man Malema isn't exactly one to blow court orders. His defiance of multiple rulings against his land grab claims has seen AfriForum successfully sue him on 5 separate occasions, so humility may remain in short supply. You know, this guy is thick as 2 bricks. He really is. He hasn't got a brain cell in his head. But what could be a real kicker for Malema is the amount of damages Karima Brown is seeking. She wants 100,000 rand from the EFF leader, who is currently racking up the legal expenses. Remember, 500,000 rand just a couple of days ago for defamation? It's all starting to toll up, isn't it? The chickens are coming home to roost, aren't they? Jeff Budlander was the advocate representing Karima Brown. He told the courts that Malema has breached both the Electoral Code and the Electoral Act. The lawyer accused Juju of having no basic knowledge of the law. Hear that? Here you've got a lawmaker who's got the 3rd biggest political party in South Africa, and he has no basic knowledge of the law. Now, how much of a parody is that? You know, it's just totally conflicted. He said, this is Jeff Budlander, Karima Brown's advocate, said, he can't accuse people of being agents of the ANC without any evidence. The EFF posted a 1-sentence response to Wednesday's judgment. Top marks for passive aggressiveness, guys. So, this is going to be a very interesting year. I think Malema is going to be spending a lot of time before judges and courts. He might as well start brushing up his knowledge on the law, which actually makes me laugh a bit, because I don't know if you remember it, but he was one of those people. In fact, I think he was in charge of the panel that were going to choose the new member of the High Court. This is about a year ago now. And he was giving this guy such a hard time, sort of saying, well, you're a white man, and, da-da-da-da-da. And this guy was just being so deferential and just so passive and just answering the questions. And Malema was making it quite clear that because he had a white skin, there was no chance he was going to get the job. And now, quite clearly, he has no knowledge of the law. Quite extraordinary. All right, guys, please remember to subscribe to be kept informed. Ring the bell for the updates, and have a great day. Bye for now.